These are purple Japanese sweet potatoes, and today we're going to be growing them. We're going to be putting them in our backyard. But first, we need to propagate them. Now, there's a whole bunch of different methods, and all of them work. But what I'm curious about is which method produces the most shoots for, or slips for the method. So we're going to be trying that out. So let's get started. So our first method is by far the simplest and requires the least amount of effort that you can get. Basically, what you're doing is you're taking this sweet potato, you're poking it with a holes in 3 different locations to provide support. And I do it like that. And then you're just sticking it in water. Water's going to drip everywhere, but that's it. Now we take the 2 halves and we put them in the soil. Just like that. Now we'll add a little more soil to that and it should be good to go. And there we have it. We have our 2 methods. Let's test them and we'll check on this in a week and see how things are going. So it's been about 2 weeks, and as you can see, our sweet potatoes are growing roots on this, and we actually have a nice slip that came out, a couple of them. And this is pretty good. I like this. Got leaves on it and everything. While our all in water have tons of slips on them, but no leaves yet. It's been about 3 weeks now, and I think it's pretty safe to say which one is the winner. Now, the one in the soil, it did grow really thick, stout sprouts, but there's only like 3 or 4 of them, and that's not good if I want to plant a whole bunch. While the ones in the water developed incredible root systems, and while maybe not as big as the soil, it produced a lot of slips. And the same with this one, the bigger potato, the bigger sweet potato grew just about, I think I counted somewhere between 12 slips that are coming out now, as opposed to 2 or 3 here. Now both methods work very well. The thing with the water one is you have to change the water regularly. But I mean, you can see, look at those roots. All those nice little roots coming out. And then we got all the stems. All these slips will turn into, all these slips will turn into new sweet potatoes when they grow, when they get high enough. We'll pick them off and root them in water. And I can't wait to show you that step. But for now, definitely go with the water if you want to produce them. It works, just not as much. But you gotta admit, you gotta look at this. Look at how thick this is. This is incredibly thick and healthy leaves. Maybe I'll have to plant them separately and we'll see which one produces the best. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.